Now I'm going to show you how to pick up and knit stitches from the right corner. Okay, so we're going to pick up and knit along this edge, starting with this right corner and ending at the remaining live stitch that we have on hold. So the first thing to do is insert your needle right into that very first stitch in the corner. Take your new color and leave a 6-inch tail. Knit it like that. Let's go into the next stitch right next to that one. Insert your needle, take the working yarn, knit, and pull through. So now we're going to begin to weave in that tail as we go. So on this next one, we insert the needle, take the tail, pass it over the working yarn like that, and knit as usual. And again, we do that every other stitch. So here we're going to pick up and knit. Now we're going to insert the needle, take the tail, pass it over, and knit. So again, you just do that for about 1 inch or 2. This saves you from having to weave in your tails at the end, which would take a very long time for this project. So again, here we are passing it over the working yarn so that it gets trapped by the working yarn when you knit this next stitch. Got to keep it back here. There we go. So I'm going to continue in this way along this whole edge until I get to the very end. I'll show you what to do there. So here I've picked up and knit 28 stitches along this edge. I have 2 more to go. Right here at the end, I'm picking up and knitting there, and then 1 more right into the corner, like that. So 30 stitches all together, and we have this remaining stitch on hold that we need to deal with. So what you do is take the other end of your needle and put that stitch on there and remove your stitch marker. Get it out of the way there. And now this stitch is on your left needle ready to be knit. So all you do is knit it and you're done. You have 31 picked up and knit stitches along this edge, beginning in the right corner, and we're ready to go for triangle 4.